God. You know how like they have the Cover FX drops? Well, now they have it in a powder form. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Now I'm excited. So, in today's video, we have our Boxycharm Premium for the month of January 2022. This is $39.99 a month, so $40 a month now. If you want to see what I got inside, hear my thoughts and opinions of the Boxy Premium, then keep on watching. All right, so I just filmed my Boxycharm base box, and I said in that video that I haven't filmed. I only put up one video this month. That was my Ipsy, because I had COVID. Yes, I was diagnosed with COVID on January 2nd. So your girl has been sick as a dog in the hospital and all that. But I'm feeling a lot better now, so I want to get these boxes out. So I have not been on YouTube. I have not watched anybody's unboxings. I don't even know a spoiler that's in these boxes. So it's kind of like a first impressions, you know? Anyway, let's open her up. Okay, so when you see the blue, you know it's the premium. All right. What in the world? This is what here's a little sneak peek. Get it together, girlfriend. Not too much, you know, I like to tease a little bit, but this big box for, I don't know. Anyway, okay, so the theme for this month is Better Beauty. That's weird because the base box was Refresh. Okay, so on the back gives you everything that's in your box, gives you the prices, gives you a brief description on each product, which I think is great. I love that they do that. I hope they never stop doing that. All right, so the first thing here is from Persona, and this is a brand that I have been falling in love with. I really, really like this brand, and that's why I like subscription boxes, because I would have never heard of this if it wasn't for like Boxycharm, you know? So this is a lip liner in the shade 90210. Oh my God. I used to love that show. Dylan was my favorite. Let me know down below if you watched it and who did you like? Who was your heartthrob? Okay, let's read up about this puppy. So this is $14. Now, I've tried their eyeliner, which their eyeliner was really creamy and stays on your eyes. And their eyeshadow, I love that. But all right, so that's what it looks like. And this is right up my alley. And it's one of the sharpener ones. What the heck is on my hand? I don't know. That's pretty. It's creamy. It reminds me of, in the base box, I got a Dragon's Beauty one, almost identical to this color here. So maybe this color's like in style now. I don't know. Okay. The next thing we got is from Bare Minerals, and this is, oh, the Mineral Veil. This can't be full size. Look how small that is it? It's in translucent. And it's $27. This cannot be full size, but premium, the Boxycharm Premium Box is always supposed to have full size items, right? But I don't know. It's like a peachy color. I like how look, you could just pull that up. Let's see. Right here. I like that. I'm not going to open it right now. This has to be a deluxe sample. But I like that it's like a peachy color. I like that a lot. All right, so I'll definitely use this. It doesn't, and it's weird, it doesn't come in a box. Okay. The next thing is this gripping primer from Lys Beauty. This brand is in Sephora. And let's see. This is $20. It says this daily serum primer helps balance and brighten the skin while controlling the appearance of excess shine throughout the day for a seamless complexion with or without makeup. It's packed with skincare ingredients for guilt-free beauty that feels as good as it looks. All right, let's see. So that's good. Ooh, I like how it's shaped like that. Let's feel it and see if it's like that sticky. It comes with a safety seal, so that's good. I like that when it's sticky like that and then your foundation like sticks to it, you know, it makes it last a little bit longer. So, oh God, that comes out quickly. All right, so it's right here. Let's see. Yeah, it's tacky. We'll leave that on for a second. How much did I say? $20. So that's not bad if you like it. I was expecting it to be a lot more than $20. Okay, the next thing is from Lys Beauty. Oh, I love Lys Beauty. Lys Beauty is one of my favorite skincare brands. I used to love Elemis, and now it's this. Love it. So this is the Bamboo Pore Refining Mask. Let's see. How much you be? $38. Wow. Okay, let's see. So it has a safety seal. Oh, it's black. I don't know what I was thinking. It doesn't really have a smell to it. This is really good for like if you have oily skin, you know, or you have some breakouts and stuff like that. Let's see. Okay, so now the tacky, it's not tacky anymore. It's very smooth. Actually feels, this is the primer I'm talking about. Actually, it actually feels like you have a coating on your skin. So it might actually make your skin look good. Do you know what I mean? Like it feels like it has that. I can't explain it. All right. But anyway, all right, so we have this, which I'll definitely use it. And then we have two more things. So we have from Aether Beauty. Now, do you guys remember with the Ipsy X, who, I can't remember the young lady's name that collabed. Why can't I think of her name? I have her face in my head. She has her own makeup brand and stuff. Anyway, remember that palette that we got was like $58 for that palette? I was like, oh my God. So how much is this? So this... This is $48. This is the Sunrise palette, right? It's a new launch. So you have a little card here. And that's what it looks like. And then on the back, I mean, it's okay. So, of course, it doesn't come with a mirror or anything because this brand is like, I'm telling you, my mind is still in a fog. This brand is for like trash. Not trash. Not trash. Recyclable and stuff like that, you know? You guys know what I mean. So there we go. Let's do a couple swatches. I just don't know why. I mean, I think it's just like, has like crystals or something, but it's crazy. And there we go. That's just going in one time. It's pretty. Don't get me wrong. It's very pretty. I will try it out. All right, and last but not least is from this thing. This is from Cover Effect. What you be? This is a custom enhancer palette. $42. Oh my God. You know how like they have the Cover Effects drops? Well, now they have it in a powder form. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Now I'm excited. Now, this is what I'm talking about. I love the enhancer drops. They're just too like, boom, you know, and they're, you know, I like powder stuff. Come on, get this open. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I didn't even know they had this. All right, so it looks like this. And it has a nice mirror. And then you have the 3 colors right there. I'm so excited. Okay. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Wow. I don't know about you. Let's see. Let me go in again. I don't know because I'm so pale, you know? I don't know, but I'll have to use it. I'm not going to knock it till I try. I thought it'd be a little bit more blinding, but then again, like I said, I'm so pale right now. I don't know, but I'm still excited to get it. All right, so let's recap everything that I received. Oh, let me tell you what variation first. I have variation 209. Okay, so I got this. I'm so excited for this. You just don't know how excited I am for this. And then we got the palette, which I'm excited for. Like I said, I would never pay these prices, but I always tell you it's not like we pay that, you know. Then we got this from Lys Beauty. Now, would I want a mask? Let's just be real. No. I'd rather have some different type of skincare or something like that. But I like Lys Beauty. We have the Bare Minerals. Let me know down below. This cannot be full size. I mean, it's just so small. I don't know. Let me know. We got a lip liner, which I love lip liners, so I'm not knocking that. And then we got this I'm really intrigued for. Like, I'm really intrigued to try this. Let me know if you got this and what you thought of it. And yeah, that's everything. If I had to rate this on a scale 1 to 5, 1, I'm throwing it in the trash, 5, I'm doing cartwheels, I'd probably rate this about a 3.5. Definitely better than the base box. Do I think that it went up a little bit since they raised their prices? I don't know. I don't know if my mind is because of this cover effects. I'm like, oh yeah. And then we got a palette. Do you know what I'm saying? But I don't know. It kind of still feels the same. I don't know, but it's only January. Let's see what February is. Let me know if you got your premium. If you did, what did you get? Are we box twins? Let me know if you would be satisfied with this box. If somebody said, here, Ann, I'll give you this for $40, would you take it? I probably would because of the highlighter. I ain't gonna lie. All right, guys, that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out, and it only takes a second. Like this video if you missed your girl. Let me know. Like this video if you want to help your girl out. I can't even think. Oh my God, I sound so stupid. Make sure you leave a comment. That helps me out too. Let me know what you think of Boxycharm. Let me know what you think of this box. Let me know how your day's going. Leave an emoji. It does help me out. The more comments and engagement and the likes or dislikes. And yeah, that's everything. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy. And most importantly, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.